Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this part in FreeCAD. Look at the detail. Join. Okay, let's start. Create a new file. Create a new body. Create a new sketch. Then we select Y, X, Y, Z, X, Y plane. Then we create rectangle. Make dimension. No. Constant equal. Dimension is 50. Okay, leave the sketch. Then we pi 60. Reversed. Okay. Next, we select this face and this face. We create a draft. Select this plane. Change angle 20. Okay. Next, we select this face and create sketch. External geometry, the two line. Create arc. Constraint tangent. Tangent to radial 50. We'll create arc. Okay, the sketch is fully constructed. But leave the sketch. Next, we select this face and create new sketch. External geometry and we hide the draft. Select arc. Create two lines. Constraint select two line and create arc. Make tangent coincident. Add arc. Okay, the sketch falling sketch constraint. We leave the sketch. Okay, we select the sharp attractive lift. Select sketch. Okay. Add sketching. Here. You see it. Okay. Then we select this face and create a new sketch. We create a rectangle. Make equal. Ferret. Radial 15 mm. 13.5. Okay, leave the sketch. Then we pocket. Dimension 14. Okay, we select this edge and the ferret 10 mm. Next, we select this edge and this edge. fillet 5mm. Next, we create a new sketch. Then we select XZ plane. We create a circle. Dimension is 5mm. Leave the sketch. Then we pocket. Dimension type through all. OK. Then we select pocket 001. Select parallel. Basis Z. Angle 92 is 8. OK. Next, we select this face and this face and the last face, 3 faces. Select thickness. OK, we need make thickness in volts. Select change the thickness 3mm and in select intersection. OK. Next, we select this edge and this edge. Fillet 2mm. OK. We change the workbench. We select part workbench. Then we need select body and middle. We select YZ plane. OK. Is it what middle? Then we select middle body and lead body. Middle. Select XZ plane. OK. Then we select the full body. Hold Control. Select body, full body, or body. Then we unit. OK. We finish it. Change the color. OK, thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.